Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine and enjoying life well. So today we are diving into world of creativity and style, showcasing stunning design to inspire your next project. First up, let's explore the timeless classic, the granny square tot. These designs feature colorful interlocking squares that create a vibrant, eye-catching look. Perfect for carrying your essentials, it's both practical and stylish. Next, we have the chic minimalistic clutch bag with its clean lines and simple structures. This design is ideal for elegant evening out. Customize it with different yarn or add a pop of color for a personal touch. For those who love a touch of boho flares, check out the fring bag. This design incorporates playful frings for a relaxed, carefree vibe. Pair it with the favorite summer outfit for a trendy, laid-back look. If you prefer something with a bit more sophistication, consider the textured market bag. Its intricate stitch pattern and sturdy construction make it perfect for grocery runs or trips to the farmer's market. Lastly, don't miss the inconvertible crossbody bag with adjustable strap and the versatile design. This bag can be worn multiple ways. It's practical for everyday use and great for those on the go. We hope this crochet bag design spark your creativity and inspire your next project. All viewers, if you want to start a side business, then reverse crochet work is also very helpful for you because you can do things, you can sell things and earn money from it. Mostly viewers get in crochet work and knitting work. So viewers, these bags are knitted, while crochet work is a handmade process in which we use interlock loop of yarn into standard of other material. Only one stitch take at a time, but in knitting multiple stitches take at a time.